On to question 3. How convenient! Question 3 is going to allow us to review some of the math that we did in questions 1 and 2. That's nice. Miss Graves gave her class 12 minutes to read. Carrie read 5 1/2 pages in that time. At what rate in pages per hour did Carrie read? Okay, so we have pages per hour, and we have 5 1/2, and hours 12 minutes. Oh, another trick. Minutes to hour. But we know how to do that trick, right? Because we just divide by 60. We say 12 minutes is 12 over 60. All right, so here we are. We have pages per hour, and we want to get that to, if we read 5 1/2 pages in this amount of time, 12 60ths, how much are we going to read in 1 hour? Well, first, let's just simplify this, right? Because 12 60ths, we can, divide. If we're not sure that 12 goes into 60, we can just start out slowly and divide each by 6. And we'll get, this is 2 over 10. Oh, I know what we can do. We can divide by 2 again and get 1/5. Some of you will know that 12 goes into 65 times to begin with. And you'll be like, oh, let's just divide by 12, divide by 12. We'll get 1/5 right off the bat. Otherwise, you can do is you can go step by step and be like, oh, I'm going to go slowly and divide first by 6, then by 2. And here, up here, pages, we want to get this into a workable number. Well, 5 1/2, let's think about this as, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, and then we have a half. So we have 2 over 2, 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 and then 1 over 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 over 2. We have 11 halves. 11 halves. And we know that because we do the whole number, the number, the whole number multiplied by the denominator. So it's 2 times 5 plus 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So we have 11 over 2. How does that make sense? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 2 5 times plus our last one. So that's how we get 5 1/2 into 11 over 2. And then we have 11 over 2 over 1/5, and we have to make that equal something over 1. How do we do it? Cross multiply. 11 over 2 times 1 divided by 1/5. We should know by now that any number times 1 is that same number. So we can just say 11 over 2 times 1 is 11 over 2 divided by 1/5. How do we do that? Keep, change, flip. 11 over 2, keep, change, division to multiplication. Then we flip 1/5 to 5 over 1. And we multiply it through. We get 55 over 2. 55 divided by 2. Well, 2 goes into 55 27 times with 1/2 left over. 2 goes into 55 27 times with 1/2 left over. So that'll be our answer, 27 1/2. Also, I mean, we have, it just has to be said, we have pages per hour. We have 5 1/2. We could just convert that to 5.5. And we have 12 divided by 60. If you do 12 divided by 60, you will find it comes out to 0.2. So you can just convert these fractions into decimals and then do a little cross multiplication like this, 5.5 times 1 divided by 0.2. Plug that in your calculator and you're going to get 27.5, which is the same as 27 1/2. So it has to be said that instead of going through all this brain damage with the fractions, you can just convert them into decimals right off the bat and get the same answer. But either way you do it, or if you want to do it both ways to check your work, you're going to get 27 1/2, and we're good to go.